I'm Aaron from Classic Vacuum, and today we're going to do how to use your Hizero F500. On the Hizero F500, everything is indicated pretty much here, as well as the light. There's a light here, red or blue. If there's a problem, this will turn red, telling you to look up here. You have your power switch, your mode select. It'll go between regular water and high water amount of dispensing, and then also it'll tell you if your dirty water tank is full or your clean water tank's empty, as well as the battery level. To get the machine ready, make sure your dirty water tank is clean and dried out. Make sure your clean water tank is filled and you put your Hizero chemical in there. Please don't use any homebrew stuff, you can damage the machine. Make sure your trash container is cleaned, and the number one thing, make sure your roller is wet. It's a sponge roller. You can see this, we haven't used it in a while. It's kind of soft here, it's not soft here, it's hard, so we need to wet this. Dry sponge doesn't work, so we need to make this into a wet sponge. The easiest way I found to do it is just to fill your sink with a little bit of water, enough to cover this, and then submerge the sponge roller and then just massage it. Just work it with your hands. As you're moving it around, you'll feel it's starting to soften up pretty quick. I am using warm water. You'll start to feel sections are soft, sections are kind of chunky underneath. Just keep working at it until you feel that the material is completely saturated and soft all the way through. Sometimes people will not wet this enough. Don't try to just put it under your faucet. It takes forever. Don't just leave it underwater. This massaging of the material is what really makes a difference. Make sure your ends are nice and good. That's real soft, and you just kind of feel around till there's no more hard spots. When you're done, squeeze out any extra moisture. Alright, we're ready to use our machine. Next, we just need a mess. We got real cat hair, as you can see, coffee grounds, cereal. So now that we have a mess, we'll use our Hizero to clean it up. To use the machine, I just will turn it on, put my foot on top, lean it back. Now the machine will kind of pull itself along, but you don't have to use it that slow. This thing's made for speed. So as you're moving your floors, it's okay to propel it yourself. And this is about the speed I use mine at. After you're done, you're going to want to clean it. Now, some people are going to use this every day. If you're going to use it every day, your daily maintenance will be emptying the liquids tank and cleaning out the trash tray. The unique feature about the Hizero is it's going to separate your dry stuff from the wet. So this can just be poured down the drain. Take this out, bang it out in your trash can, scrape it out, and then I rinse it out before replacing it. So that would be your daily maintenance. If you're only using this once a week, or for your weekly maintenance, you're going to want to then, in addition to cleaning these parts, you're going to want to pull this brush roller out. There's a tool that comes with to clean the hair off of this. Wipe out the inside of this front piece. You're going to want to wipe this out in here. I'll remove my roller. I'll rinse it real good. Then I let it dry in the drying stand, as well as the brush. The base tray can house these items. And then I'll wipe this out, pull this out, and clean this. Also, read your manual. There's a couple more items of cleaning, but I wouldn't put those for me in the weekly cleaning column. I'm Aaron from Classic Vacuum. Thanks for watching my video on how to use the Hizero F500. Check out our website, classicvac.com. You could visit us in person in our North Canton or Worcester location. If you have any questions, let us know. If you do leave a comment, we do respond to those. Ask any questions there. Thanks again for watching.